Aromatic hydrocarbons. The unsaturated hydrocarbons contains one or more benzene rings are called aromatic hydrocarbons. They are also known as arenes. Kekule's structure of benzene. Kekule suggested that benzene molecule is made up of hexagonal ring of 6 carbon atoms joined alternatively by double bond and single bonds. Each carbon atom is attached to a hydrogen atom with a single bond. Thus, Kekule's structure of benzene can be represented as 6 carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atom and 3 alternate single bond and double bonds. That means 3 double bond and 3 single bonds, and each carbon atom is attached to hydrogen atom. Each carbon atom is attached to hydrogen atom, therefore 6 hydrogen atom. Therefore this structure also can be represented this form, that is without any hydrogen. It means that it is already hydrogen is present, or by the molecular formula C6H6. Resonance structures of benzene. Benzene can be represented by the following canonical or resonance structures A and B. That means A, the double bonds and single bonds. Look at the double bond and single bond in A. This is on one side. That means if you number it 1, 2, 3, that means 1 to 2, that is only single bond, and 2 to 3, it's a double bond. Whereas in this form, 1 to 2, it is a double bond, and 2 to 3, it is a single bond. Both are correct. That means this is called a resonance structure. A and B are called the resonance structures of benzene. It is assumed that benzene is a resonance hybrid of the forms represented by A and B. Benzene can also be represented by the structure C. That means inside a ring. The structure C is more stable as compared to the structures A and B. Aromaticity. Benzene and its derivatives behave very differently as compared to aliphatic compounds. They show unusual stability and resist addition and oxidation reactions. A functional group such as OH, NH2, Cl directly attached to the benzene ring behave very differently as compared to its behavior in aliphatic compounds. This unique behavior of benzene and its derivatives is not termed as aromaticity. Modern theory of aromaticity. It is assumed that each carbon atom in benzene is sp2 hybridized. On account of this sp2 hybridization, each carbon atom acquires 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals lying in a plane at an angle of 120 degree. Out of the 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals, 2 sp2 hybrid orbitals of each carbon atom overlap with the neighboring carbon atom. That means if sp2 hybrid orbital is directed towards in a manner that 120 is the angle of this, two hybrid orbitals will overlap with 2 carbon atoms, and the third one overlap with the hydrogen, and there is an unhybridized orbital is present there, and sp2 hybrid orbitals overlap with the half-filled 1s orbital of the hydrogen atom. That is, one with the hydrogen atom, other two with the neighboring carbon atom. One unhybridized orbital. Refer text in page number 798, the diagrammatic representations. Each unhybridized 2p orbital containing unpaired electron. These undergo sidewise overlap and form 3 pi bonds corresponding to the Kekule structure. In Kekule structure, 3 double bonds. The main reason is due to this sidewise overlap of this unhybridized orbital. Since all the 6 carbon atom it can form a continuous molecular orbital spread over the carbon skeleton. It is referred to as delocalized pi molecular orbital. That means this unhybridized orbital, this all the 6 carbon atom on the top and the bottom, it forms a cloud. This is represented. This is the electron cloud on the top of the benzene ring, and this is the electron cloud below the skeleton of this ring. The term delocalized means that 6 pi electrons present in the orbital are spread over the entire carbon skeleton, and no particular electron is associated with no particular carbon atom. The electrons, 6 electrons are there, but all the 6 electron forms a cloud. Not these electrons are belonging to any special carbon atom. The delocalized pi molecular orbital acquires a shape of an electron cloud lying above and below the plane of the ring. This is the reason for the aromatic character of benzene. These clouds on the top and the bottom is responsible for the aromatic behavior.